Hello, I'm Brett Hedge from Heatcraft Australia. Welcome to Heatcraft.
Hello, I'm David Upwood. I'm Engineering Manager for Heatcraft Australia and New Zealand.
The leadership role that we wish to take with natural refrigerants in Australia is one that advances and accelerates the program, getting to more customers in a short space of time. We've got a huge number of customers using all types of refrigeration technologies, and we think with our local manufacturing capability and global support structure, we're in a great position to make the most of the natural opportunity.
Yeah, so being a manufacturer of equipment, we'll be making the CO2 equipment in Australia, and we have the advantage of responsiveness and being able to listen to the customers and what they want to see in the systems and how we can best adapt those systems to their needs.
So beyond our manufacturing capability, we also have a wholesale network that reaches right across Australia and also New Zealand, 75 locations, and essentially really good customer base where we're able to support product that's installed, provide aftermarket spares, provide knowledge at our counter, and be a general point of contact for the industry.
Yeah, so we not only have the best and most reliable technology in CO2, but we also have the best and most reliable people to be able to discuss the issues with the customers, solve their problems, and make sure that the whole experience is absolutely at 100%. Well, on a global level, we've had a lot of experience with the technology transcritical systems in Europe, and also slightly less, but also in the USA, where the climate extremes are a little bit more. In Australia, we face some challenges, but we see transcritical CO2 as a high potential for a large percentage of applications in this country. Where those applications require something slightly different, we've also got the technology and the products that can help with that as well.
We have had some success over the last number of years with CO2 system development, particularly in the commercial refrigeration space. And typically in the retail sector, we've actually just received the award and essentially order for our first transcritical booster package in New South Wales, Australia. That package will be sold to Woolworths, the retail company, and will be installed in 2018. So a very exciting opportunity for us to build on the strength that we already had with our CO2 installed base.
That's correct. From a technology perspective, it's going to open up a lot of opportunities, not only for the top line technology, but also for more simple systems involving natural refrigerants that can ease that transition from the systems we have today to what could be in some ways some difficult technologies for our customers to understand. The advantage we have is with our reach out to our customers around Australia and New Zealand, we can take them through that transition. We can educate them, and we can show them the technology and the best way to apply it. So I think we're in a unique position in that regard.
Yeah, I guess to reiterate that commitment, our field engineer team that is based around the country is best placed to talk to both customers and users on navigating solutions forward with their refrigeration technologies. It might not be today that we need to be thinking about it, but definitely in the longer term, the total cost of ownership of a refrigeration system has to be a consideration, and will only start to be more emphasised once we really hit the steps in the phase down program that the government have announced.